Okay, so today I thought I'll try to make some custom length speaker wires for a full stack. And as for the wheels, I don't know if I'm gonna switch them. I mean, I do like these. They did grow on me. I really like that stance, how tall they are. I think that's pretty cool. It really looks nice. But if I switch it, I'm gonna have to drill new holes and it might degrade, this one because this one's pretty original. But I don't know what I'm going to do there yet. And I figure I had some old wire thanks to my grandpa. I really wanted to use this one, but I didn't get the right plugs. The wire's too thick for the hole. And I really like these. So I don't know. I might use these. This one would be kind of cool. I don't know yet. Shit. I'm still figuring it out. It's morning. I'm barely drinking my coffee. I'm still trying to wake up. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna put these wheels on so I could stack it up in those notches and get a better accurate measuring size for the wire. Before I take them all off, just a comparison. Bastard. Holy shit. Oh no. Don't you do that. Don't you do that. Yeah? I don't like that. Is that how it goes? Check the wheels out. Yeah, that's more solid. The hell? Oh shit. Guess not. Wheels anywhere? Am I doing it wrong? Is that how it goes? Huh. Get the camera. Um, I don't know. I guess so. I'm gonna have to YouTube it and Google it. Sometimes I see stacks where the gap is like shorter. That's why I bought these, but they didn't match the hole. I thought these were supposed to go, but I don't know. I was trying to look on the internet. Any how do they get there so low? And I couldn't find an answer. So I guess I'm just gonna use these. They're for a amp head, but I don't know. I might use them. Yeah, something like that. Just put it in the hole. I'm gonna get a little drill bit, mark them. I dig it. Let's get a height comparison. Did I do that with the big wheels? All right, here we go. Oh man. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's nice. I felt it. Yeah. At first, it scared me. I didn't think. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, shit, son. Okay. Let's see. Oh, man, I like it. So it did kind of come out close to the sides, or the outer side, not in the center, when you match it up with the holes. Okay. Try to get some light. There we go. So that's how they do it. It looks like the pictures. All right. All right. I like that a lot. Oh man. I'm gonna have me some fun. I'm gonna have me some fun. Okay, let's get this going. Some nice soldering. Yeah, start off with a fresh spot. Beautiful. It smells old too. Let's see. I cut just a little bit off for now, so I could just see what it looks like. Some fibers, cardboard. Come on. I don't know if I like that. You don't have to be this, picky about it. I'm just trying to, build some skill here. Trying to learn. Now, let me take a look at this. Okay. Where are we at? Guess it's not too bad. Oh, shoot. What do you guys think? It's on there good though. Alright, I'm gonna try to do the other one under. Yeah, that looks better. Alright, let me get set up. Okay, let me try this way. Come on. Shit, I can't see. Don't. Dang it, come on, don't move. Come right there. Dang it. Try this. Come on. No, it moved. Dang it. Give me something. That sucked. Oh man. I don't like it. I mean, I'll still use it, but to me that looks like crap. I totally messed up and let it heat too long. Now I'm going to try to pull this up to get around here. I need better lighting for this top view. Let's see, okay. I'm going to try to crimp it now. You think that do? Feels all right. That was a tight squeeze. And now I'm gonna try to get the heat shrink wrap, like maybe up to the black line too. There we go. Come on, just a little bit more. Right there. I'm satisfied with that. Get that in. cool. Alright, let's get this thing up. Ooh, what's tight? Something's tight. What the heck? Come on. Yeah, I like it. There we go. Okay. Bam. I like it. And then this one. So all right, let me measure. So far so good. From tip to tip, it'll be 20 inches. The amp took like 19, but so I just added another just to make it a nice solid number. And I always forget, I almost was gonna start cutting and soldering. I always forget to put the stuff on. Okay, let's see if this one goes a little smoother. Get a little heat. That's a little better. Okay, let's see. It's gonna be a little tougher because there's that little gap. Nice. Kind of touched that, but I'll knock that off. All right, that'll do. Okay, I'm real happy with that one. Try to get a little closer. Yeah, I like that one a lot. Okay, let me try to slide this up. There. I was really trying to keep this a short video, but gosh, I don't know how. I'm still trying to find my groove. Just stretching this shooting thing. So we'll go over. Come on. Okay. Now this one. That'll do. I like that. Right there. And then the others I'll probably just do off camera because I mean it's not hard, but it's tedious. It's a lot of, I don't know. Come on. The last one. Ooh, nice. go. Let's measure it. Let's see. I'll stick it in this plug. Measure it there to see where we're at right there. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, 20, give or take. 20 inches. Okay. Unplug this and we'll walk over to the amp. And turn on this light. Right here. Boom. And right there. Ooh, I like it. And this one turned out to be around 48.5, but I rounded it up to 50. Let's go plug it in. Ooh. I think I'm done. That's it. Let me turn it around. Wow, I never thought I'll own a full stack. This is amazing. But I kind of got some bad news. So I won't be playing this full stack in this video. I know, I'm such a tease, but I'm pretty sure this video is long enough. I have a bad habit of making long videos. And I got some questions on ohms. I thought I knew basic ohms, but when I was looking up on blogs of how to connect a Valvestate to two cabs, I was getting kind of confused. So let me see if I got this right. The Marshall Valvestate is a 4 ohm amp head. I thought these two 4 ohms were individual. I thought it was 4 and 4, but it's not. It runs into the same feed. Let me disconnect these. With this cab in the mono side and the 4 ohm output, that is perfect for this amp. The transformer's looking for a 4. The cab is saying here's your 4, and that is optimal. That is the best result. I cannot go 4 and 4 because 2 4s turn into a 0, and that's a no-go. I can switch it to stereo and either sides go 8 and 8, but what I don't like about that, I'll be rocking 2 speakers, 4 speakers altogether, but I want all 8 speakers to be going. So I thought you could go to mono on the 16 input because 2 16s turn into an 8, and an 8 can go into a 4 ohm amp head, correct? I mean, that's what I thought. And when I was doing some research online, I came across some comments saying you can't hook up 2 16s to a 4 ohm. Now, am I missing something? So I really appreciate it if you guys weigh in and tell me if I can or can't. I know 2 16s go into the 8, and an 8 could go into the 4. At least that's what I thought. I know it's not the best performance it would get, but I thought it was still okay. So yeah, I guess the next video I'll be doing the whole jamming on the full stack, and when I figure this ohm stuff out, I'll explain too, because I've seen a lot of people have the same question. And yeah, I guess I'm done with this video. All right, laters.